In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable notifications in Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to toggle, so you never miss an update when Grok finishes thinking. First, open Grok AI. You can do this either by visiting the official Grok AI website in your browser, or by launching the Grok AI app on your device. If you're using the app, make sure it's updated to the latest version, so the settings look the same as what I'm showing here. If you're on the website, sign in with your account so your preferences save correctly across sessions. Next, head into Settings. Look for your profile or the settings icon, typically found in the top corner of the screen. On mobile, this might be behind a profile avatar or a gear icon. On desktop, it's often in the upper right. Click or tap that to open the settings menu. Taking a moment here ensures you're adjusting the right preferences and that your changes will apply to your current device and account. Now, within the settings menu, navigate to the section labeled Behavior. This is where Grok AI groups preferences that affect how it responds and interacts with you. If you don't see behavior immediately, scroll down the settings list or use the search bar within settings if available. The behavior section is where the notification toggle we need will live. Once you're in behavior, enable notifications by turning on the option called Notify when Grok finishes thinking. Toggle it on. When this is enabled, Grok will let you know the moment it completes its response, which is especially helpful if you multitask or step away while a longer answer is being generated. If your device asks for permission to show notifications, approve that prompt so the alerts can appear. If you don't see a permission prompt and still don't receive alerts later, double-check your device's notification settings for the Grok AI app or your browser. Quick note before we wrap up. If you need the download link for the app or the link to the official website, you'll find it right at the top of the description. That's the fastest way to get to the correct place without hunting around. And that's it. You've opened Grok AI, accessed settings, gone to behavior, and enabled Notify when Grok finishes thinking. From now on, you'll get a heads up as soon as your answer is ready. That's how you enable notifications for Grok AI. Thanks for watching.